Alright fam, I'm finna do like a real rough ass empty house tour because this ain't even empty no more for real. My little yard or whatever. I need to update my furniture. I literally never had a yard, so don't have yard furniture. But boy, my yard is so beautiful. I need to learn how to mow a lawn. Can somebody teach me? Cause beats, I don't know. All these beautiful trees. Alright, we in this crib. Y'all ready? Let's go. Guys, beats. So this is my living room. I be. I'm gonna put my little fireplace right there. Oh my god. In my kitchen beats, my kitchen paint. Stop. Wow. And I got a fucking dishwasher. Never in my life would I think I would have a dishwasher. Ignore my favorite chips. Boy. Hello? Me turning the dishwasher on by mistake. Like I said, me never having a dishwasher. Fucking it up first 5 seconds. This is like my little pantry area. I guess I should turn the light on. Like, why am I playing games? She need a little work. She a little rough. She need more cabinets and shit. But I don't really know what I want to do with her for now. So I'm gonna leave her like this. And this is laundry room / the rest of the kitchen. I'm thinking if I want to bring the fridge into this room and then put like more cabinets to line the walls, and this would just specifically be for my laundry room, because that's what I was hoping. It's just gonna be my laundry room. But boy, my fridge. Look at my fridge. Wow! Never in my life did I think I was gonna have a big ass fucking fridge. Boy, ain't shit in here, and I ain't cooking, so it ain't never gonna be shit in here. But I could put shit in here. So anyway, we out. Oh yeah, in my back door. Ain't really much out here yet, but we could go out here. Check it out. Of course, I'm gonna have to work my little yard or whatever. Oh, good morning, birds. How y'all doing? My neighbor's fence is straight up falling into my yard, so I'm clearly gonna have to get a fence in the back. But whatever, nobody actually lives there, so hopefully it won't fall down. My little shed. Oh, my little shed. Ah! Okay, I'm freaking out. Calmate. And this is the other side of the yard that I didn't show you when I first came in. A beat's got space. Is that my laundry line? Yes. Because I'm gonna be doing laundry outside. No. And this is my driveway. She fire, whatever. Don't look at my car. Okay. Oh, back in the cribbo. We're gonna go upstairs. Yes, beads, yes. Oh yeah, anyway. I didn't even show you my office. My office is literally the only thing I done bought here, and it's full of shit already. Oh, and one of my bathrooms. You. Okay, we going upstairs. My other bathroom. This is gonna be my room. Oh, I did bring my clothes. But this is gonna be my room. She cute. She got a cute view and shit. whatever. I got a hook up. That's my closet. Yes, you can walk in it. And then this is my spare room. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this room for, but it's not a bedroom. It does have a door though. However, it leads to my other bedroom, my third bedroom. That's the closet. It's the floors for me, like, it's the light for me. It's the everything for me. I love this fucking house. Like, it's so crazy. Like, my stairs, my beautiful stairs, like, literally, I wanted a staircase so bad. Just so I could walk down to be ratchet. Oh, okay, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? You saw what you needed to see or whatever. You don't need to see my bathroom. I don't like them. Boy, but that's the cribbo, yo. I'm gonna fill it up with mad shit. So that's basically it. And I'm literally not even about to do nothing else. I'm about to go back to my apartment, get more stuff, and bring it back to the house. Looking ratchet, looking tired. It's literally like 8 in the morning. I was doing this shit all in the middle of the night because I'm stressed the fuck out. Yo, life is hard. Life is fucking hard. But you got this shit. Bro, like, dead ass, this shit is crazy. Like, I still can't believe that I actually got a house and I bought it by myself, me. No help, no financial stability from a nigga. No, bitch. Stable on my own. Thank you very much. Did it in spite of you bitches. Okay, calm down, sis. I'm just so hyped. Like, literally, I never thought I would see this day in my life, and here we are. Me in my empty house. Like, my house. This shit is crazy. And you know what's even more crazy is, like, not even 5 days ago, like, I got given like some horrible ass news. And not even in 5 days is it gonna be my 33rd birthday. So this time is like really crazy. Like, my dad passed away last week. I got a house this week. I'm gonna be 33 next week. Like, April's going crazy and it hasn't even been a month yet. Like, this whole month has been insane. Since April started, it's just been insane. I'm on an emotional ass roller coaster, but right now in this moment, I feel good. I feel happy. I feel accomplished. I feel like, bitch, you finally did it. Like, y'all don't know what the fuck I've been through, where I've been at. Like, this life shit is not easy for real. And I never in my life thought like this would be me. Like, I would have this moment. I bought a house by myself. I never thought in my life I would have this moment. And it's probably echoey as hell, and you're probably not even gonna be able to understand this. The audio's probably gonna be trash, but I did it. I did it. Now, what we finna do next? With this self-made energy, we want for nothing, because we literally can manifest anything. Period.